In a vast, lush jungle filled with chirping birds, whispering trees, and golden sunlight filtering through the leaves, there lived 4 very different animals: a mighty lion, a clever fox, a sly jackal, and a fierce wolf. Though they were all predators by nature, they had formed a hunting group, believing that teamwork would bring more food for all. One fine morning, they set out on a hunt. The sun was bright, and the scent of adventure was in the air. The fox followed tracks, the jackal used his sharp nose, the wolf circled the bushes, and the lion, strong and fearless, led the group with pride. After hours of chasing through bushes and leaping over rocks, they finally cornered a large, healthy deer. With a mighty roar from the lion and a swift pounce by the wolf, the deer was caught. The hunt was successful. The animals gathered around their catch, panting and smiling, their eyes gleaming with hunger. The fox, respectful as ever, said, "Today's hunt was a team effort. We should divide the meat fairly among us." The jackal nodded. "Yes, let's all get what we deserve." The lion, who had been quietly sharpening his claws on a tree trunk, turned and said in his deep, commanding voice, "You are right. Let me do the honors of dividing the share. After all, I am your king." Though they exchanged nervous glances, the other animals agreed. Who could say no to the lion? The lion stepped forward, looked at the deer, and with one mighty swipe, divided it into 4 portions. Then he said, "The first part is mine for being the king of the jungle. The second part is also mine because I made the final kill. The third part belongs to me too for leading the hunt. And as for the 4th part, whoever wants it may come and try taking it from me." The forest fell silent. The fox's tail froze in midair. The jackal's eyes widened. The wolf growled softly but took a step back. None of them dared to challenge the lion. They had hunted together, worked hard as a team, but the lion, with his strength and pride, had taken everything. Suddenly, the fox broke the silence with a chuckle and said, "Oh, wise king, what a clever way to divide the spoils. I have learned a valuable lesson today." The lion smirked. "And what lesson is that?" The fox bowed low and replied, "Next time, I'll hunt alone, or make sure the king isn't hungry." With that, the fox quietly walked away, disappointed but wiser. The jackal and the wolf followed, whispering among themselves. They had learned something important that day. Sharing only works when everyone is fair. With the greedy and powerful, fairness often disappears. And from that day on, the animals of the jungle became more careful about who they trusted and what sharing really meant. Moral of the story: greed can destroy fairness. Don't expect equality from those who only care about power. Choose your companions wisely.